country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers
my brothers
and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am
and I am
proud of
proud of
its release.
these streets.
I'm very delighted
I'm very delighted.
I
shall always try
to Monday of peace.
liberty of faith.
As my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and leaders.
and leaders.
I shall teach everyone
I shall treat everyone
with courtesy
with courtesy
to my country
to my country
and my people.
and my people.
And pray my devotion.
I praise my devotion
India ready,
in their well-being
prosperity,
and prosperity along.
joy by happiness.
Thanks.